So here first to write the given equation. Write the given equation. Given circle equation is okay. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is a given equation. Now this circle equation I am comparing with the general equation. Okay, so by comparing with the general equation, 2g coefficient is -6 and 2f y coefficient is 4 and constant c is equal to -12. So here value of g is -6 by 2, that is 3. F is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, so now what is the here g and f values already we got. Now center. Okay, center c is equal to minus g comma minus f. Okay, minus g minus of -3 comma minus f minus 2. Okay, that means +3 comma -2 is the value of center. Okay, now also find the radius. Okay, so if you find the value of radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, so that is nothing but under root of g square 3 square 9 2 minus 2 whole square. Okay, that is 4 minus c value is -12. Remember here the value is minus of -12. 9 plus 4 13 plus 12 25. Root 25 value is 5. Okay, now what is the formula for finding the parametric equation? Okay, so here parametric equation formula. Parametric equation. Parametric equations of circle. Okay, so here x is equal to minus g plus r cos theta. Okay, this is one formula, and y is equal to minus f plus r sin theta is the another one. Okay, so that means minus g. What is minus g value? That is +3 plus r value 5 into cos theta only. We don't have the theta value. So this is x value, and y is equal to minus f. Minus f is nothing but -2. -2 plus 5 sin theta. Okay, so this is only the required parametric equations answer. Required parametric equations answer. Okay, now if we go to the next question. Obtain the parametric equations of the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. Right. Now by here the given equation. What is the given equation? Okay, the given equation is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. By comparing with the formula, circle equation formula. What is the formula? X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square is the formula. What is the formula once again?
X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square.
Yes. Okay, so now I am using the formula. Okay, by comparing with that, h is equal to 3 and value of k is equal to 4 and r is equal to 8. The value of r is 8. Okay, so now substitute. Okay, so take the formula for parametric equations and substitute here. Okay, so parametric equations formula. Parametric equations of circle. Okay, x is equal to h plus r cos theta. When we know the h and k, so this is the formula. When we know the center h comma k, we use this. When we know the center minus g minus f, we use that formula. Okay, same remaining as it is. Okay, r cos theta, r sin theta is same. Okay, so x is equal to h value is 3 plus r is 8 cos theta, and y is equals to, okay, k is 4 plus r is 8 and sin theta. Okay, so this is only the required solution. Okay, parametric equations of the circle, given circle equation. Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Find the equation of the circle passing through -2, 3 and with the center at 0, 0. This is the question here. Okay, if we take this question, here we have one circle. Here we have one circle. Okay, so the equation of the circle passing through the point, passing through some -2, 3 points, and center at 0, 0. We have the center, okay, at 0, 0. Okay, so then what is the question? What is the equation of the circle? Is asking to find the equation of the circle. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Now, here, by finding the distance C to point P, we can find the value of radius. Okay, so here what are given here? Given center is given. Center is equal to P is equal to
0,
origin, that is 0, 0. And point on the circle, that is also given. So point I am taking as P, so 2, 3. Now the distance between CP is radius. Radius is equals to CP is equals to distance formula. Okay, what is the distance formula here? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Tell me once again, repeat the
x2
formula.
minus x1 square under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1.
Yes, okay, this is a, okay, distance formula. Okay, so we use this formula for finding the distance between any point, any 2 points. Now I am finding the distance between these two, or direct when we have the origin, direct root x square plus y square. Okay, we can use that also. Okay, or so okay, so we can use the formula root of x square plus y square also. When we use this, when we know the, when we have the origin. If one point is origin, we can use this. Okay, so now I am using the first formula only. Okay, so that you can use it for any 2 points. That's why. Okay, -2 whole square is 4, 3 square is 9. Okay, 4 plus 9 is 13. Root 13. This is the radius. Okay, now center and radius. When we have the center and radius, circle equation. Okay, circle equation. What is the formula? Okay, here also, okay, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square formula, or you can write the direct formula x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay, we can use any formula, both in both of these. In both of these, we can use either the first one or second one. Okay. First one is, okay, we can apply in any situation. Second one is possible to apply only when we know the, when the center is origin, then only it is possible.
Okay, sir.
Right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so here also x minus h is 0 only, whole square, plus y minus k is also 0, center 0, 0 is equal to r square. R is 13, root 13 whole square. Square root cancel. So answer is x square plus y square is equals to 13. This is the required circle equation, okay, which passes through minus 2 comma 3 having center at 0 comma 0. Understood?
Understood.
So we'll go to next question. Find the equation of circle passing through minus 2 comma 14 and concentric with the another circle. Here concentric concept is given. Okay, so here we have one circle. Okay, here we have one circle, and afterwards give one more circle also in this. One circle inside the another circle. Okay, concentric is nothing but having the same center. Okay,
Yes, sir.
circle is different, but center is same. Okay, so
Yes,
now, so with this minus 2 comma 14, one circle is passing through the point P minus 2 comma 14. Okay, and the equation of that circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so here what is given? Given circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0.
0.
Given point, one point also given. Okay, so point is P of minus
Minus
2
2.
comma 14. Now, what is the formula for finding the concentric circle? Okay, so here concentric circle, for finding the concentric circle, formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. Till here,
Yes, okay.
same only, there is no change. Instead of c, we write k or c1, any different, only constant is different. Only
Yes, sir.
constant is different.
That is different.
Here, there is no change. Okay, the x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy. Okay, so only we have change in the constant. Now, okay, so here concentric circle is according to that x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. Till here same, there is no change. Only change the constant plus c1 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. This circle passes through minus 2 comma 14. This equation 2 passes through the point minus 2 comma 14. Substitute now. Okay, x value minus 2, x square plus y square. Okay, plus, okay, so y square minus 6 into x, x is minus 2, minus 4 into y is 14,
Okay.
okay, plus c1 is equal to 0. 2 square is 4, 14 square, what is 14 square? 196, minus into minus plus 6 2 is 12, okay, minus 14 into 4, how much?
Sir, C1 we can take minus 12, no?
No, we have to find the value of c1.
Okay.
We have to find the value of c1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now 196 minus 56, how much we get? Okay, if you
Sir?
remove 6, if you remove 196 minus 6, it is 190. 190 minus 50, 140. 140 plus 16, 156. 156 plus C1 is equal to 0. So that means C1 is equal to minus 156. Now substitute this. Substituting C1 is equal to minus 156 in equation number 2. Okay. So then we get the required circle equation, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y constant is minus 156 equal to 0 is the required solution. Understood?
Understood. Okay.
Okay, so these are the homework problems. Okay, so you try to solve these problems. Okay,
Okay, sir.
same whatever we did, similar type of questions. Okay. Okay, Aryavardan.
Okay, sir. Thank you.